what do you recommend when it comes to maintenance for tuned B9s? Spark plugs are a good idea. Coil packs do wear out or get old. OEM are good, or we will have an slightly upgraded coil coming out. There is actually one very popular aftermarket option right now that's not an upgrade, so be careful with that one.
It's a different color though.
I would just run stock for now. Trans fluid flush should be done at 40 to 50,000 miles. Oil changes, obviously. Diff fluids you could do every 50,000 miles.
Yeah, one thing to keep in mind too, these intervals are developed for a couple of things. If you're relying on stock, maintenance intervals, that's based on a stock car to meet, production standards and cost of ownership standards that the OEMs have to hit. You are kind of way outside that envelope when you start modifying and then start you're talking like 700 horsepower builds on a lot of these or a number of these now. You really have to kind of take it into your own hands and talk with people that have been there before, but the OEM maintenance intervals kind of go out the window for all of this. For spark plugs just are much quicker consumables. Your oil's going to take a bigger beating, all of this stuff, trans fluids. So it's going to be more maintenance for sure.
Yeah.
But you're going to be doing it 2 to 2.5 times the horsepower maintenance.
Yeah.